In continuation to our series of VBA programming, next we'll learn how to play with font in Excel using VBA programming. So for example, you want to make the text in your Excel as bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, or you want to change font name, size or color. Although it is easy doing it in Excel, but when writing a program, one can't expect a user to manually do these actions. So let us see how we can do this in VBA. I have created a blank workbook here with the name font, and we'll create our macro in this file. We'll click on Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. In case you cannot see Developer tab in Excel, then you need to go to File menu, click on Options, click on Customize Ribbon, and on the right hand side, check the checkbox besides Developer and click OK button. We can also press keyboard shortcut Alt F11 to bring on this Visual Basic for Applications Editor. Now we'll create a module here and write all our code in that module. So we'll click on Insert and click on Module. And you can see that Module 1 is created under Modules folder in our project. First, let us change the name of the module from Module 1 to Font. So you can see that the name of the module is now changed to Font. In case you cannot see this Properties window, you can bring that from View and Properties window. Alternatively, we can also hit keyboard shortcut F4. So when we double click on the Font module, the module editor opens on the right hand side, and this is the place where we are going to write our code. Now, whatever code we write will have to be written in a function, and the function starts with sub and name of the function. So in our case, we will write sub font open and close parenthesis, and the function ends with end sub. So now we have a function here, and whatever code we'll write will be written in this function. First we'll see how to change the font name for range of cells. For that, let us write some data in the sheet to enable us to perform the change of font action on the same. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address where we want to write, let's say A1:A10 dot value equal to into double quotes sample1. We have already seen in earlier video how to refer cells with VBA. If you haven't seen this video, then I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. In this video, I have explained referencing cells with 4 different methods, and referencing with range is one of it, which we have used here. So this line will write text sample1 in all the cells from A1 till A10. Now we'll change the font of this data from Calibri to Arial, which is quite simple. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address of the cells we want to change the font. So in our example, it is A1:A10 dot font dot name equal to double quotes Arial. Now let us also change the font size of the text. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address of the cells we want to change the font size, that is A1:A10 dot font dot size equal to say 20. So this is it. Now let us run our code and see what happens. We'll run the code in debugging mode so that we can see what happens line by line. To run the code in debugging mode, we need to go to debug menu and click on step into. Alternatively, we can also use keyboard shortcut F8. So we have text sample1 in cells from A1 till A10. Let's again hit F8, and now we can see that the font of the text from range A1 till A10 is changed to Arial. When we go to next line, we can see that the size of the font is now changed to 20. So now we know how to change the font name and size of the text. Now let's see how to make the font bold. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address of the cells we want to make bold. So in our example, it is A1 colon A10 dot font dot bold equal to true. Now bold can either be true or false. Like in Excel, either we have the text as bold or not. Similarly, let us underline the text. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address of the cells we want to underline. So in our example, it is A1 colon A10 dot font dot underline equal to true. Similarly, let us also try italic, subscript, superscript and strikethrough. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes A1 colon A10 dot font dot italic equal to true. Next, subscript range into bracket into double quotes A1 colon A10 dot font dot subscript equal to true. For superscript, range into bracket into double quotes A1 colon A10 dot font dot superscript equal to true. Now strike through range into bracket into double quotes A1 colon A10 dot font dot strike through equal to true. So that's it. Let's delete all cells in our worksheet and then run our code and see what happens. So we have text sample 1 in cells from A1 till A10, font changed to Arial, font size is now increased to 20, bold, underline, italic, subscript, superscript and strike through. So this is working perfectly fine. Now let us see how we can change the color of the text. There are two different ways to change the color of the font. First is by using color constants. So Excel has a few color constants that we can use to apply color to the font. For example, if we want to apply the red color to the font in our range, we'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address of the cells we want to change the color. So in our example, it is A1 colon A10 dot font dot color equal to VB red. In this code, after the font object, color is the property and we have used the VB red constant that tells VBA to apply red color to our range. There is a total of 8 constants that we can use. You can pause the video and have a look at the same. The other method is by using RGB. We can also use RGB color code to apply color to the font. RGB is a combination of red, green and blue colors, where we can create custom color using the code. Let's say if we want to apply a combination of green and blue color to our range, then we'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address of the cells we want to change the color. So in our example, it is A1 colon A10 dot font dot color equal to RGB into parenthesis 0, 255, 255. So that's it. Let us now test this. The color is red by using constants and it is cyan by using RGB. So I hope you understood how to change font name, size, apply bold, underline, italic, subscript, superscript, strike through and change the color of the text. So that's all for this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.